up, everybody? It's your girl Deanna C with Divine Dance All-Star Apparel. I just wanted to come on and personally thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. Because of you, I've been able to reach 1,000 subscribers. That is not an easy thing. And I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I also want to thank everyone who's commented, everyone who's liked my video, everyone who's shared any of my videos with the dance community. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to come on camera so you guys could see the face behind the voice. I'm testing out new lighting, so if I look like a deer in headlights, please forgive me because it's like very bright. So I just also want to come on and talk about things that will be happening in the future with my channel. There will be another tutorial video coming out within the next week. So I want you guys to be looking out for that. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions of what you want me to try and create a tutorial on, please be sure to either comment or inbox me. I do have a Gmail account. It's divinedanceallstars@gmail.com. I also have Instagram and Facebook, which is also Divine Dance All-Star Apparel. So make sure that you go and follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. I've been thinking about expanding my channel to more than just tutorials. I talked about it briefly in a previous video that I posted, but I want to reshare just in case you didn't get the chance to watch the video. I also want to talk about, current events within the majorette community. I understand that a lot of us are going through a difficult time now with COVID, and we're kind of unsure about what to do in terms of returning back to dance with our teams. So I would like to be able to be an assistance with that. I've also received a lot of emails and messages about providing more information about the majorette community, because there are a lot of new teams and new dancers who are very unfamiliar with the protocols and how things should be done and how to run a successful team. So I will continue those videos as well. But if you have any additional ideas that can help enhance the channel, because I want to be a help to the majorette community outside of just making uniforms, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can be one of the first to know when I post a new video. And I promise that I'm going to do a better job with posting, because I have plenty of time now, due to our current situation. If you just want to vent, if you want to share your thoughts on certain things, it's okay, to email me or message me, DM me on social media. 9 times out of 10, I will respond within a timely fashion. So I just wanted to once again come on and just speak with you guys briefly about my channel and the content that's coming soon. And once again, for like the 3rd time, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and share. Be blessed. Bye.